If you run a repair shop, this looks familiar. You're turning hurried notes into estimates, service orders, and invoices. Your invoicing is often behind by days or weeks, and you're not always sure how many parts you have at any given time. In short, shop life can get pretty chaotic. We're Fullbay, and we'd like to show you a better way. Here's how an average repair happens at a shop that's powered by Fullbay. A customer submits a service request from their phone or computer. The shop knows what's going on even before they arrive, and they don't even need to talk to the customer on the phone. The tech examines the truck, taking notes on their phone or tablet. As the tech makes their notes, other people in the shop, like the service and office managers, can see them appearing. The parts manager is immediately notified and pulls the necessary parts from inventory. They can see exactly what parts they have in stock and what they need to order. Click, they can instantly create an estimate. The service manager texts or emails the estimate to the customer, who can authorize everything from their phone. If it's a mobile repair, Fullbay can even accept payments on the side of the road. The techs focus on their work. If they need to take action, they're notified through text or the app. Meanwhile, the customer can track the status of the repair as it goes on. Once all the parts arrive, the tech completes the fix and then marks it completed. After the work is done, Fullbay generates an invoice and emails or texts it to the customer. Integrated payment processing means no long lines at the counter or re-entering invoices into another program. That's a lot of time your shop can save. If you'd like to learn more about Fullbay and see how it helps owners and employees get into the shop, get their work done, and get back to their friends and families, request a free product demonstration today. We can't wait to show you what you've been missing.